So I've had this Mishimoto clone catch can in for about 10 months now. And I showed a video of how much it caught. It was like in November, and I got a lot of condensation in the thing. And over the winter, I was changing it probably every 1,000 miles, or emptying it every like 1,000 miles, due to the path. All the cold air catching it. There's really no other place to mount this on this Impala. And the Mishimoto website even tells you they want their cans mounted on the core support. But now it's been probably 3 months since I've emptied it over the summer months here. So let's check out what it looks like when it's warm. All right. That is pure oil. I don't know, 3,000 miles worth. I don't happen to have one of those cups that I did in that video from last November, just an old pill container. You can see this is pure oil this time around, no condensation. Oh, I wanted to add one more thing. This plug on the bottom, put some Teflon, remove it, put some Teflon tape on it, put it back in. I was having issues with it dribbling out and dribbling down on my radiator fan. Since I did that with the Teflon, I have not had any issues. So here we go. This is what that can is filtering out. And for those of you following along, I mentioned a long time ago that I was going to pull my intake. I am going to do that within the next month or so, and I have a big project lined up for that. So thanks for being patient. I will have that video posted as soon as I have that done. And thanks again for visiting, following my channel, all that good stuff. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.